Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use your Wolt partner app. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, access your particular Play Store or App Store according to your device and tap on this install and simply install it. Once you're done, tap on this open option beside and simply open up your Wolt app. As you can see, this is the simply food delivery app for you. Now you can always see over here as well. You simply gotta go ahead, tap on this get started given below for you to set your account, and now choose a method how you would like to create your account. You can even choose to connect it with your Facebook and the Google, which is our existing account of yours, will be easy. Or you can tap on this continue with email, or choose to continue as a guest as well to see if you will like it or not. For me, I will choose with Google and choose my account, and now I have simply signed in. Now first, this is the information. I'll tap on this next. Now we have to enter our country first, and now simply continue with the confirmation. Now we gotta enter our numbers. Unfortunately, we do not have this service for our country. If it's for your country, simply enter the number, send text with code, get the code. Once you are verified, you will be able to enter the Wolt app. Then afterwards, you will be able to simply, just likewise you do, you can find your food. You can go ahead, search by restaurant or food. Once you're tapped on it, you will be able to order foods online, and you can even add in the payment method, save it over here, or you can simply choose the cash in hand service as well for you to get food from Wolt app itself. So these are some of the basic way for you to use. If you got more specific questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.